My name is Vickie Edwin Reid. I'm a furniture artist and the director of Upcycle XL. Upcycle XL is a company where I upcycle and restore furniture. I will buy in furniture and upcycle it and then sell it on. If you've got that beautiful piece that you really like, but it doesn't really match your decor, it's a bit old and battered, I can make it look new again and it's beautiful. I also come out to people's houses and I upcycle their kitchens and tiles, so the cupboards, front drawers. I also upcycle people's bedroom furniture, the fitted ones. In 2019 I turned 40 and I did 40 challenges, and they range from anything from learning to ice a cake to sea kayaking. And one of my friends said, "Have you seen this paint?" And I had a magazine holder that I'd got from the Nobles car boot sale about 15 years ago, and I always thought I'll paint it one day, and I did, and it was beautiful. So then I worked around my house. Luckily I didn't paint the dogs or the cat or the children, though that was tempting at times. Luckily, what I was doing as sort of real therapy and just kind of my happy place and my hobby, I suddenly am able to do day in, day out. In fact, I eat, sleep and breathe it now. I love the fact that it's sustainable, you're recycling rather than going and buying new. A long time ago, those pieces were really well made, so why would you buy new when you could just add an extra 10, 20, 30 years just by upcycling and painting them? I've got a physical shop in Port Erin. I'm on Church Road, or you can like my Facebook page or Instagram page.